iPhones have it, Pixel phones have it, and now Galaxy phones have this feature too. Samsung has confirmed that the shiny new Galaxy S26 series will have satellite connection for emergency communications. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. During the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked launch event, it wasn't clear whether this feature will be part of the Galaxy S26 series, but now Samsung has confirmed that its new phones can connect to satellites. As per Samsung's press release, the functionality is going to be available through ongoing partnerships in North America, Europe, and Japan. However, satellite support will be rolling out in phases based on network availability and regulatory requirements, so you might not get it straight away. Satellite access has been on some Galaxy phones for selected apps and selected regions, but this is a much more wider rollout. However, whether it will reach older Samsung handsets or not remains to be seen. In the US, Samsung's satellite connectivity partnerships are already in place with T-Mobile and Verizon, and that it's working on a deal with AT&T too, with similar agreements are on the way across Europe and Japan. Samsung's president said, since satellite connectivity is becoming an important part of the mobile landscape, they're ensuring Galaxy users get access to reliable communication, especially when they need it most. It's still early days, and these phones aren't even in consumers' hands yet, but it's gonna work in a similar way to Google and Apple phones. Like if you're out of cellular and Wi-Fi networks, you'll be able to send emergency communications over a satellite network. Samsung says its availability may vary depending on the One UI version, so you might need the latest software installed for this to work. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.